boxing out your framing, start off with a 4¼ inch on center. So that's center to center is 4¼ If you want to go outside to outside, it's 5¾ But make sure you start off with 4¼ center to center, 16-inch center to center, 16-inch center to center. Or if you're going on 12s, then this one would be 12, 12, 12, 12. But this one stays at the 4¼ on center. This is to do your picture framing, to picture frame the outside edge. This is going to be an edge board, but this is going to be the picture frame border. This is going to be 16s, and the rest of the deck will lay out without minimal cuts. If you don't have 16-inch on center or 12-inch on center, you're going to have to cut all the boards to fit so they actually end up on the joist.